Hello and welcome to my channel. It's so funny because I actually filmed an entirely different intro right after I got back from the gym today, but I look absolutely feral in that video, so I will not be using that and I'll spare you guys. This video starts here. So hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. I literally just got done with work, so I have my life back. I don't know if anyone else has been feeling like this lately, but work has just been so draining. I just spend so much time in my office and it's just really hard to get anything done throughout the day. For the past few months, I feel like I haven't really been able to prioritize my hobbies, or I haven't really had the drive and the passion to do the things that I really want to do with my free time because I'm always so tired and drained from work. So I really want to just like reintroduce certain habits and routines back into my life. You know that saying that goes like, I don't want to live to work, I want to work to have a full life or something like that. Every single day I just wake up and I go straight to work, and then after work I just lay on the couch and it's just the same thing over and over. I want to start introducing better habits and routines in my life, and that's what this video is hopefully going to be about. It looks like it's going to rain soon. I feel like it's been raining for the past month straight. Like every single day we've had rain, but I think it's going to be sunny tomorrow and Thursday. So I'm really excited about that. I have 2 basil plants on my deck that really need to be pruned pretty badly because they're about to bolt soon. So I'm gonna prune those and then make some pesto. If you didn't know, pesto is literally one of the easiest things ever to make at home. I used to buy it at the store. I mean, I still buy it at the store once in a while when I don't have enough basil to make pesto. But anytime I have enough basil, now I just make pesto at home. Like, it's super easy and uses very few ingredients. So this is one of my basil plants. It's very full compared to when I first got it. Very vigorous. Basil grows so fast. And then this is the other one here. And it smells so good. Yeah, and as you can see here, it's already starting to flower. So you never really want your basil to do this because once that happens, then it stops producing leaves and the leaves actually start to turn bitter. So I'm gonna prune a lot of basil and make lots and lots of pesto.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our 2 outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.
Oh my gosh, I have so much basil.
minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk.
I'm sure this will be a lot easier if I had a food processor, but I don't. I have a blender, so that's what I'm going to be using. I've used my blender to make pesto before, and it turned out perfectly fine. However, I haven't made pesto with that much basil, so I'm hoping it all goes well. And then I'm also going to be toasting up some walnuts instead of pine nuts. I know a typical pesto recipe calls for pine nuts, but walnuts are a bit more cost efficient and they taste really good in my opinion, so that's what I'm going to be using. I think it's time to get a food processor. Now, don't get me wrong, the blender got the job done. We have pesto. It worked, it's perfect. It is a little thicker than the last batch that I made. However, this could have been a lot faster if I had a food processor. So if you do end up wanting to try this, I would say maybe have a food processor in hand, up to you, but we have our pesto. That is so good.
Morning comes with the early summer light. Curtains sway gently by the window, and you're sleeping. Tender wind dancing on skin. Makes me stay in bed a little longer to hear you breathe in. Long for those quiet days when the hours drift away.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I had such a lovely morning and I'm so happy. Every time I eat a nourishing meal before I start working, I just feel like a well-functioning adult. I just feel like I did something right today because I didn't jump straight to my laptop. I started reading People We Meet on Vacation on my Kindle. Boyfriend and I watched this movie probably like 3 to 4 weeks ago and I really enjoyed it. He's not really into romance, but I'm a huge romance and just lover girl, so that's my vibe. I actually read the book about a year and a half or 2 ago, but I don't remember what happened. I thought it would be nice to just pick it back up and see how it differs from the movie, because that happens sometimes where books are very different from what the movies end up being. So yeah, that's what I'm reading right now, and I'm just so happy. I had such a lovely morning, and now I'm about to get started with work. So I'll probably go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like and subscribe. I'd love to connect with you all. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Today's gonna be a very busy day, so I probably won't vlog much, or maybe I will, but if I do, it's probably gonna be part of my next video. So I'll see you guys there. Bye.